In this video, we'll dive into how to set workflow permissions in Process.st, a powerful tool designed to streamline your business processes. Whether you're managing team workflows, creating templates, or keeping track of tasks, understanding workflow permissions is key to maintaining control and ensuring the right people have the right access. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you how to leverage these permissions to optimize your team's productivity, and I've got an exclusive offer for you. To get started, head over to the workflow you want to set permissions for. In Process.st, permissions are crucial for ensuring only authorized team members can edit, view, or complete tasks. The first thing you'll notice is the Permissions tab, which is where all the action happens. You'll be able to control who can view and interact with your workflows at a detailed level. Now let's break down the different permission levels you can assign. The first and most basic one is the Can View permission. This lets a user see the workflow but not make any changes or edits. It's perfect for stakeholders or anyone who needs access to the workflow's details but doesn't need to get involved in the editing process. Next, you have the Can Edit permission. When you assign this, users can make changes to the workflow, add new tasks, edit details, or adjust the process as needed. This is typically for team members who are responsible for updating and maintaining workflows, ensuring they reflect the latest business processes. If you want someone to be fully involved, including completing tasks and workflows, you can assign them the Can Complete permission. With this, team members will be able to mark tasks as done and move through workflows independently, which is essential for operational efficiency. Process.st also lets you customize permissions further by giving users access to specific tasks within a workflow. For example, maybe you have a workflow that includes a series of tasks for different departments. You can assign permissions based on these tasks, so each department only has access to what they need, rather than the entire workflow. This is a great way to reduce confusion and keep things streamlined. In addition, permissions can be set at the template level. If you create a template in Process.st, you can determine who can use it, modify it, or even delete it. This ensures that only authorized individuals can make changes to workflows that will impact the entire team. By using the workflow permissions effectively, you ensure that your team stays organized and efficient while preventing unauthorized changes. It's essential for keeping your workflows secure and well managed, especially if you're working in a team environment where multiple people need different levels of access. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that you can actually try out Process.st for free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get an extended free trial, and I'll even throw in some exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running. So, whether you're new to Process.st or looking to fine-tune your workflow permissions, understanding these settings will help you stay organized, improve team collaboration, and keep your processes running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below to start your free trial today.